Marshall, what do you want for lunch?
Grits.
Grits?
Grits.
Okay. Do you want a sandwich?
No. Grits.
Do you want turkey? Turkey done. Do you want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Do you want some grits?
Oh, no, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. What do you want for lunch, baby? You want the phone? All right, here you go.